Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to teach lecture number 140. Open your maths book page number 22. First of all, draw a line. We will be starting from date to day. The date is 9th April, 2021 and the day is Friday. Today our topic is numbers and operations. One more. Write one more than the give number. Part A 6, 1 more 7. For example, here are 6 stars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we add 1 star, it becomes 7. Part B 15, 1 more 16. Part C 23, 1 more 24. Part D 37, 1 more 38. Part E 40, 1 more 41. Part F 49, 1 more 50. Now open page number 23. Today the date is 9th April, 2021 and the day is Friday. Numbers and operations. Write one more than the give number. Part A 53. If we add 1, it becomes 54. Part B 67. If we add 1, it becomes 68. Part C 74. If we add 1, it becomes 75. Part D 86. If we add 1, it becomes 87. Part E 97. If we add 1, it becomes 98. Thank you, students.